In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage the ribbon display options in Microsoft Word. This is a useful skill that can help you create a cleaner workspace when you're working on documents. Let's dive right in and make sure you know how to easily toggle between showing and hiding the ribbon commands. First, open up your Microsoft Word document. When you do this, you'll find yourself greeted by the typical Word interface. At the top of your screen, you'll notice various tabs like Home, Insert, and Layout. These are your main tools for navigating through different features in Word. Now, to hide the ribbon commands while keeping those tab names visible, focus your attention on the top right corner of your Word window. Here, you'll see a small button called the Ribbon Display Options. When you click on this button, a little menu will appear. What you're going to do next is choose the option that says Show Tabs. By selecting this, you will keep the tabs like Home, Insert, and the rest in plain view. But the individual commands that usually appear underneath them will be hidden. This is particularly handy if you prefer an uncluttered workspace or simply want more screen real estate for your document. But there might be times when you want all the commands visible again. And for that, the process is just as simple. All you need to do is click on any of the tab names, such as Home. After doing this, the Ribbon Display Options button will make its appearance once more. Click on it again, and this time select Always Show Ribbon. With this choice, you'll see your familiar commands underneath each tab come back, allowing you to have immediate access to all the powerful features Microsoft Word offers. Here's a quick tip for you. An even faster way to toggle your ribbon display is just to double-click any of these tabs. Yes, it's that simple. By double-clicking, you can quickly hide or show the commands, making it an efficient shortcut to change views without diving into any menus. So there you have it. With just a couple of clicks or even a quick double-click, you can easily control what you want visible in your Word workspace. I hope this helps you customize your Microsoft Word experience to better suit your needs. Thanks for tuning in, and if you found these instructions helpful, feel free to explore more ways to streamline your Word environment. Happy editing!